morning, traders. It is September 27th, Friday morning. We are 1 hour into trading, and I'm going to find some trades very, very quickly for you. Before I do that, we need to look at the market. Market first, market first, market first. I also want to mention that everything that I'm going to be showing you today is available on Option Stalker. This is the Option Stalker platform available at www.oneoption.com. Spell it all out. If you like this YouTube video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're an active trader, by all means, subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to be posting these daily videos early in the morning with actionable trades each day. Usually, these trades are not only just good for day trading, they're great for swing trading as well. So if you're a swing trader, watch these videos. You'll be able to pick up some really good ideas on stocks that are going to be good for the next few days. But my primary focus is on day trading. So let's get started. Please subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to go into my scanner and I'm going to click bullish. So we're going to look at a bullish search and we're going to be looking for heavy volume, heavy buying specifically. Tesla, I'm going to do this right away because I'm long this in the chat room. It got through this down trend line. It's had excellent momentum. I'm going to take that off and I'm going to put up the 200-day and 100-day moving averages. And I'm going to take off my alerts very quickly. Got a few alerts and we're going to be looking at Pop Bull here very shortly. Here's what Tesla is doing. And I'm going to drop a line so that we can look at it later right here to tell us where we would have gotten in. Well, we'll know. It's basically where the stock opened today. That's where we would be long if we bought it right now at the start of this video. I like Tesla today. I'm only going to be trying to give you 2 or 3 really good picks. I don't want to give you 10. I want to give you 2 or 3 that I think are going to move very, very well. Yesterday we nailed STX. We just had to be a little bit patient with the market. So let's return to the market right now, and we can see that there is a bullish hammer right here. We've got an uptrend that right now is holding. You can see that uptrend right there. We bounced off of it. I think the market is going to have a range day. That will probably be the high of the day. That will probably be the low of the day. There's no news to really drive it, and we'll chop around within it. I'm going to zoom out to a 30-minute chart, and you can see there is a downtrend right here. That's kind of the top of that downtrend line on a 30-minute basis. There's an uptrend line right here on a 30-minute basis. So we'll trade right within this range, and there is a wedge forming. There's no news right now, but there's a lot of economic news that will be coming out next week. I feel that the market has benefited from the news this week. We've had a likely trade deal with Japan. We have trade negotiations with China taking place on October 10th. Brexit is off the table this year. Those are all positive influences in addition to central banks easing like mad. Earnings season starts in 2 weeks. That tends to attract buyers into those announcements, and we haven't seen a lot of pre-earnings announcement warnings, so that's also a good sign. So I am neutral to slightly bullish. If I see any bullish put spreads, I'm going to point them out. I think that's the best strategy right now for swing traders. I do like the market right here, right now. And if I were trading futures, I would be getting long in here with the idea that we start drifting higher. But I'd rather find stocks with relative strength like Tesla. So let's go through and take a look at one of my favorite searches. We can go into Pop Bull. This is great for swing trading. And I'm going to go to a daily chart. I just want to see if there's anything that's breaking out. Yes, I like that. Symbol GPK. That's a nice one. You can see how it's getting through that horizontal compression through the prior day's high. I like it. SPWH, SPWH, yes, had that right. Love this. You can see how it's right now making a new high for the day, and it's breaking out to a new relative high. That looks good. Nothing there. This looks good. HFC. This Pop Bull search is phenomenal. I'm going to put up relative strength. That's the 10 SI indicator. If the line's above if the line's above 0, it's bullish. It means it's strong relative to the market. And here you can see that it's above zero, which is a positive sign. So I think that stock is a buy on any pullback. AES looks good, but we've got the 200-day moving average right above there, so I'm not overly crazy about that. PRU, Prudential, trying to get through this horizontal resistance level. Let's look at M5. If we go into a 5-minute chart, we'll be able to see, yes, there's some relative strength, but the stock is kind of chopping around right now. It's got to hold this opening price. That would be your stop if you decide to trade it. So another dip down in here, maybe a nice entry point. Just trying to point out stocks that I think will do well today. So I like that SPWH. I like this one a lot. So that would be another one in addition to Tesla. And we're going to go into heavy buying right here. So these searches are already pre-configured. Look at Tesla. It's going. From the beginning of the video, it's going, and it's going to continue to be higher. MPC, compressing. It's also trying to move higher. I'll go into a daily chart, and you can see how it's been closing near its high of the day. Getting at this resistance level right here. I'll put an alert line right there. So it's through that. That would be your stop. You want to make sure that that breakout, that long-term breakout holds. So relatively contained downside because of that stop being so close, but huge potential upside. MMM, not seeing anything I like right there. ABBV, that's a nice breakout. And that's a pretty decent chart. And you have to be careful. Stock rallies, pulls back. Rally, pull back, then you get your rallies. So you have to buy this stock on pullbacks. Where would I buy it? You see this uptrend line right here? I would try and buy it right in this area right here. So if you did an uptrend line visually, you can drop a horizontal alert line. If it gets back to there, I would consider buying it. SQ, nice yesterday, gaps higher, holds the gains. Today, wants to go higher, good relative strength. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Yep, we've got a downtrend line right here that's been broken. I like it, good relative strength. SQ makes the cut. So now we've already got enough stocks. We've got 3 to watch that I think will do well. And let's see if we can find a bearish pick in here. Always like to have at least one bearish pick. I am looking to trade from the long side. And there's SPWR, not to be confused with the stock that we like. This looks like a pretty decent short. I like this breakdown through horizontal support. It's got a little bit of room to that 100-day moving average. So looks pretty good to me. Big red candles closing on their low. JEF a little too volatile for me. Breaking down through horizontal support. Little weakness, failed breakout. That looks okay. Not seeing anything that I'm super excited about. Starbucks trying to break through this horizontal support right here. Coming up on the 100-day moving average. It's fairly weak. I would probably look to sell a bullish put spread if it tested that 100-day moving average and kind of started to grind higher and picked up some relative strength. Then I would do it. But now, not yet. Nope. So we're going to go into the heavy selling search. That is the counterpart to the heavy buying search. We could see Micron after earnings really weak. FSLR weak. UNP, railroad stock, 200-day moving average right here. Relative weakness. I think you can sell an out of the money call spread on this one, keying off of that 200-day moving average. CVX. Didn't really see anything that stuck out to me on the bearish side right now that I'd want to short. I would say your best prospect is SPWR. We're going to go into this is your best prospect to short. I don't want to be short. I want to be long today. And the market is moving higher. There you can see. There's where we started the video. We're probably up about 4 S&P points right now. Tesla, boom, buy Tesla. Tesla looks great today. That's your pick of the day. Have a good day. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be giving you good day trading picks throughout the rest of the year. I'm going to try and get the video posted in the first hour. I'm going to try and find you 2 or 3 really good picks. SPWH looks great also, and SQ. Those are the other ones that I would suggest being long. And we'll take one final look at SQ. Looking good. SPWH. Try and buy those pullbacks. You don't have to chase anything. Tesla's the one today. Have a great weekend. See you Monday. Bye.